night, and this is also beautiful today on the 28th of July 2023. This is on, was it Linnankoskenkatu 16 or?
Linnankoskenkatu 11.
Yeah, but that's the main address, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so Linnankoskenkatu 11, that's the main address here. ASEA from the Stakes B here as well. It's here in Helsinki, Sports Finland. And you can watch the Stakes B as well. They are both located on a different position in the staircase. Here is like the back wall is there, but the Stakes B is on the side.
Yeah.
To the right from the entrance. That's interesting.
Yeah.
There are some boats here. It was built in 1939 by ASEA, realized in 1994 by Schindler with chronometric buttons. And the original buttons were here before, on that panel here.
Yeah.
And the serial number is 401019. It will be 85 years old in the next year, 2024. The motorcycle will be 30 years old then. It will be inspected in 2025. And we can take the rides here.
Yeah.
It was completely impossible getting inside here, but we finally did it today.
Yeah. Same here. Spectate like you ice with that, made that by Spanish.
Yeah. Can we have a look at maybe the basement door?
Yeah.
Because it was added later, and I think the elevator was prolonged here. If this looks newer.
Yeah.
Yes. I think that's maybe the button for the shaft pipe there. Okay. And this is what it looks like here.
Yeah.
Indeed, look at that. It looks newer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this wasn't before here, so yeah, that's it maybe.
That's
Thank you.